In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Lazada coins to GCash. And here's the key takeaway right up front. You can't actually convert Lazada coins into GCash. Lazada coins are loyalty points designed to be used only inside the Lazada app to reduce the price of your orders. They aren't cash, they can't be withdrawn, and they can't be transferred to any e-wallet. G8, including GCash. So what does that mean for you? Think of Lazada coins as store credits that work only at checkout. You earn them from eligible purchases, app activities, and promotions, and you spend them by applying a discount on your next order. There's no built-in feature to cash them out or send them anywhere else. If you see claims that you can convert them to GCash, treat those as misinformation or potential scams. Here's how to make the most of your coins. When you're ready to buy something on Lazada, head to checkout and look for the Lazada coins section. You'll usually see an option to apply your available coin balance, sometimes with a toggle or a button like Apply or Max. Turn that on, and your total will drop by the equivalent value of your coins. If you don't see the option, the items in your cart may not be eligible, or you might be combining promos that limit coin use. Simply try removing conflicting vouchers or check if the seller or category excludes coins. Keep an eye on expiration dates. Coins typically expire if not used within a certain period, so it's smart to apply them regularly rather than saving them indefinitely. You can also pair coins with other discounts to stretch your savings further. For example, stack them with platform vouchers, seller vouchers, and shipping promos as allowed. Just remember that policies can change, and some combinations may not apply at the same time. A quick safety note: there is no official method, shortcut, or third-party service that converts Lazada coins to GCash. Never share your account credentials, one-time passwords, or sensitive details with anyone offering to exchange coins. If you want money in your GCash, that's a separate action, like receiving a transfer or cashing in through legitimate channels, and it's not related to your Lazada coins. To wrap up, while you can't convert Lazada coins to GCash, you can turn them into real savings by applying them at checkout on eligible orders. Use them before they expire, stack them smartly with vouchers, and shop confidently knowing exactly how these loyalty points work.